Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his automation channel. Today we will see one of the experience based interview question in automation. What is the reason your project is not using the latest version of Selenium? So again, this is one of the easiest question and also trickiest question to answer because you don't know what is the reason behind the Selenium version which is used. So if you see my previous questions, those are mainly on the versions only. If you tell any version like older version, soon after that the next question will be this one. So you have to know the reason why you are not updating to the latest version. There could be possibility that the methods syntaxes could be varies to between the versions. So from 3 version to 4 version there is a change in the syntaxes, and you have to understand which functions are used previously, which functions are changed or deprecated in the latest version. So all these questions will be asked when you say that this is the reason that you are not changing the Selenium version to the latest version. So like this it will be asked, and in some cases candidate may say that okay, I am using the latest version of Selenium which is recently launched. So for a bigger automation, it's not easy that you always stay up to date with respect to the Selenium version. So yesterday there was a release version released which is something XYZ, and you said that same version in that I'm using this version, and because of that there is no change in my automation. But it's difficult that you stay up to date with respect to all the version which is available in the market. So there could be possible reason that why we are not updating to the latest version. Like I said, the functions, reusable concepts, deprecated methods, there could be a lot of rework we should do. So maintenance will be a big problem with respect to the frequent change of versions. Thank you.